Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is wooden countertop for kitchen ideas. Wooden kitchen countertops offer a timeless and natural beauty that can elevate the overall look of your kitchen. The versatility of wooden countertops is truly remarkable. There are various types of wood to choose from, each with its own unique character. Whether it is oak for a classic appeal or maple for a contemporary vibe, the options are endless. The beauty of a wooden countertop lies in its ability to match any kitchen style. Not only are wooden countertops visually appealing, but they are also durable. With proper care and maintenance, they can withstand the demands of everyday use. Let's not forget about sustainability. Wooden countertops are an environmentally friendly choice. Wood is a renewable resource and many manufacturers responsibly source their materials. By opting for a wooden countertop, you are making a conscious decision to reduce your ecological footprint while adding natural beauty to your kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. We will meet in next video with new content. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.